Hey everyone! Today, we're learning 5 words that'll make you sound super smart, but don't worry, they're actually pretty easy to use. No need to sound like you swallowed a dictionary. 1. Hilarious. This usually means extremely funny, causing lots of laughter. But sarcastically, it can describe something that's, well, not funny at all. Imagine someone trips and falls flat on their face. They might look up at you with a sheepish grin and say, "That was hilarious, right? Guys?" The sarcastic hilarious highlights the awkwardness of the situation rather than the humor. 2. Forceful. This means using a lot of power or strength. But sarcastically, it can describe someone who's being a bit too pushy. Imagine a friend who won't take no for an answer and keeps insisting you do something you don't want to do. You might cross your arms and say, all right, there's no need to get so forceful about it. Sheesh. The sarcasm highlights how their aggressive behavior is unnecessary. 3. Petite. This means small and delicate, but sarcastically, it can be used to playfully downplay someone's height, especially if they're sensitive about it. Imagine your friend who's a little on the shorter side asks how a high shelf looks, pats their head condescendingly. Don't worry, little buddy, I can totally reach that for you with my super tallness. You stay down there with the petite people. The sarcasm is teasing, but be careful using this one. It can walk the line of being rude. 4. Frail. This means weak or delicate. But sarcastically, it can be used to describe someone who's perfectly healthy, but maybe a little clumsy. Imagine your friend bumps into a door frame and stumbles slightly, rushes over dramatically to catch them. Oh my gosh, are you okay? Be careful, you frail creature. You wouldn't want to get hurt by a door frame. The sarcasm playfully exaggerates the situation for comedic effect. 5. Idiotic. This literally means extremely stupid or foolish, but sarcastically, it can be used to tease a friend about a minor mistake in a playful way. Imagine your friend forgets their house key and you have to let them in. Shakes head playfully. You know, for someone who's such a genius, you sure do forget your keys a lot. Maybe you should tie them to your shoelace or something, my little idiot friend. The sarcasm is lighthearted, but remember to use this kind of teasing only with close friends who know you're joking. All right, that's your vocabulary lesson for today. Now you can go out there and impress your friends or maybe just confuse them a little with your newfound knowledge of these fancy words. But remember, using big words isn't about showing off. It's about using them clearly to communicate like a normal human being. So, keep it simple, keep it real, and we'll see you next time for another round of vocabulary fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.